Hello viewers, welcome back to Tradables.com. I hope with the help of my earlier video, you should have registered with our Tradables.com, and I think you must have logged into our application and taken a rough overview of how the application is built and how the data analysis points are being defined. So I think you might have got a slight idea of how to check these data analysis data points. So today I'm going to talk about one of the segment, which is index movers and heat maps. So index movers, when I say index movers, what does index movers define? So index movers defines the contribution points of the indices, and each indices has the different counters in it, and each counter has its own contribution points. So here in this index movers, you can check which is the positive contribution point and which is the negative contribution point, which is on the highest level and which is on the lowest level. So with the help of this, you can take a right decision at the time of your investment. So today the topic is all about investment, traders who do investment. Okay, so let me go to the application and let me show you how you can make utilization of the index movers and heat maps. So we are in the application here now. So if you see here, let's go to index movers. So here are the major menus: equities, indices, ETFs, index movers, heat maps. So today's topic is about index movers. So when we go to index movers, we have the major indices, which is Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Next 50, Nifty IT. Now today I'm going to select Nifty IT, Nifty 50. So let's go to Nifty 50. In Nifty 50, these are the positive and negative contributions. The total overall contribution point, if you see here, it is in minus 252.90 and a percentage of minus 1.01, which is on a negative side. And on this side, if you see, in green, the green ones denote the positive contributions, which are in advance. These are the top 5 positive contributors, and these are the top 5 negative contributors. And today, as we are looking into the daily time frame, today the positive contributor is HDFC Bank, which is on the highest range, and the negative contributor is Reliance, which is on the higher range. So HDFC is plus 41.05 and Reliance is in minus 27.92. However, when you look into the yearly, so basically investors would go for long term, like quarterly, half yearly, yearly. So let's take a yearly time frame and see which counter is having a positive contribution, highest positive contribution, and which is having a lowest negative contribution. So if you see here, ICICI Bank is having a highest positive contribution of plus 402.19, whereas HDFC Bank is on a negative contribution of minus 73.81. So when we noticed in the daily time frame, HDFC was in the negative, was having a positive contribution, right? But however, in yearly, HDFC is having a negative contribution in yearly. Okay. So, and if you see here, the topmost contributors of yearly counters are ICICI Bank, Bharati Airtel, Reliance, M&M in fee. And if you see here, the negative contributors for the entire year, for the 6 months, now as 7 months is HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance, Kotak Bank, Asian Paints, IndusInd Bank. Okay, now let's see how we can check when you are doing an investment purpose, how you can make utilization of the data analysis pages during your trading time. So let's go to, and we are going to look into HDFC Bank. because today HDFC Bank is having a negative contribution, sorry, positive contribution. So let's see what the value is. Today the market price is 1663 and the low value is 1631. So let's see for the year. So if you look into the year 1631, so 1631 is somewhere in the range of, in between of this range. Okay. So here if you see, in case if the value goes below this CPR, which is, these are these blue lines, blue color highlighted are the CPR points. If it goes below 1608, it means that there are chances of the market going down. Okay. But if it goes above this particular value, which is 1675, which means that it is taking a support and the market is going upward. Okay. This way you can analyze and take a decision accordingly. Now let's take for example Reliance, because in index movers today's negative contribution is Reliance. So let's take Reliance in equities page. So let's search for Reliance. Okay, so in Reliance, today's market price is 2997 and the low is 2993. So let's go here. Let's see where is 2993. So 2993 is somewhere here. 2993 is somewhere in this particular place, in between of this. So which means that already the market is going on the upward direction. Okay. So this is very good for investment purpose, because this is for, we are looking here for a particular year and we have already crossed 7 months. So already these particular points have been covered. So which means that market is going to go on the upward direction even if it goes down. So here you can see there are opportunities, and here it can take a resistance for support and it can go upward. Okay. So let me go to heat maps and let's see for yearly which are the companies which are trading on the highest. So ONGC is on the top, which is 62.89% for this year. M&M is second, which is 59.36. So if you see here, these are the top 5. So you can check which particular company is having a higher percentage and higher appreciation value percentage. And this gives the users, the investors, to take a decision according to the percentage, according to these values. Okay. So similarly, you can go to Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, if you see, Bank Nifty is having a total of minus 138.95 contribution count with a minus of 0.26%. And if you see here, the total positive contribution is there are 2 companies which are into positive contributions, and these are the negative contributions. So let's go to yearly. So in yearly, ICICI Bank is on the topmost and HDFC Bank is on the negative side. So this way you can check in equities on how the values are being matching, and you can do the analysis using these data points and you can take a decision accordingly. So I think this video will be helpful for you, and I'm sure I would suggest that whoever has not registered to Tradables, please register with us and try using the tradables.com and see how it is helpful for your trading and investment purpose. Thank you.